First tonight at 5:30, people in 7 Massachusetts communities are at a high risk for contracting a potentially deadly virus.
The elevated threat of EEE has one community taking extra precautions to make sure you're safe. Eyewitness News reporter Steve Nielsen joins us now live in studio with what Freetown is doing. It's new at 5:30. Steve?
Well, Mike, Caroline, the last time anyone in Massachusetts got EEE was in 2013, so it's been a while. But state officials aren't easing up. They want you to know where the risk for EEE is the highest right now. Jason Denault has been busy.
Yeah, mosquitoes have been pretty bad, especially with all the humidity and the rain.
He sprays homes for the mosquito squad, hitting 25 to 30 houses a day.
About 10 to 15 minutes on the property, and we're off to the next one.
He said a lot of their business is in Freetown and southeastern Mass. The Bay State's Department of Public Health has increased the threat level for eastern equine encephalitis to high for 7 communities, including Freetown.
It's very early this time of year for us to be elevated to the way that we are.
Freetown Health agent Derek Mosquito said the massive June rainfall has increased the mosquito population.
It was just the perfect breeding for them this year.
92 mosquito samples have tested positive for EEE in southeastern Mass this year, but there's been no human cases. Rhode Island health officials say no mosquitoes have tested positive in the Ocean State. Because of the new threat level in Freetown, Mosquito is closing parks from dusk to dawn.
There's a fine line between getting information out to the public and scaring people. And I don't want to scare anyone. Enjoy your summer, go do what you got to do, but just be really smart about what you're doing, where you're doing it.
I hate mosquitoes.
Freetown resident Jim Robello said he's often at the park with his dog Maddie. He says it's good to be aware and take the precautions because you never know.
But it can happen, you know. It can happen here and right now while we're talking. You could get bit.
Mosquito said they're now looking into aerial spraying to try to get a handle on it there in Freetown. New Bedford said that they'd be spraying parks and popular places in the city overnight. I'm Steve Nielsen, Eyewitness News.